Hey, I think we should go on a trip.
That sounds fun. What were you thinking?
I was thinking like 3 months in Central America.
Okay, but where do we even start?
You should really start setting some goals.
What the What is that?
Oh, that's just the helpful voice.
The what?
The helpful voice? You know, he pops up sometimes to help me out.
Where does it come from?
I have no idea.
You've heard this voice before?
Yeah, he helped me with the dishes just last week.
Oh, well, that explains why they were put away correctly. All right, helpful voice. What is this about goals we're supposed to set?
Well, what's the main reason for your trip? What do you hope to get out of it?
Well, I was imagining warmer weather, healthier food, maybe we could even pick up some Spanish.
And don't forget, we get to see lots of amazing things in Central America.
Well, duh.
Well, it sounds like you two already have some great goals. Now, you should really start to outline what your trip will look like.
What do you mean by outline?
I just mean laying out a basic plan for your trip, including anything you already know for sure.
That shouldn't be too hard. We already have some ideas.
Aren't we taking that cruise with my family at the end of January?
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe we could just kick off our trip from there. I think our last port of call is in Mexico, so maybe we start there?
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Then we could work our way south from Mexico. We probably should check on safety in a couple countries. There might be a few we want to skip.
Oh, and it sounds like my parents want to meet us in Belize.
Fun! If we add that into the outline, this is what our schedule could look like.
That looks great.
I agree. You've got a great outline already. Now, you need to do some research.
What kind of research?
Research like how much will it cost to travel in different countries? How to get from one city to another? The kinds of accommodations available? Things you want to do, and of course, safety recommendations in the region.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. We better get started.
It looks like you've figured out a lot of stuff for your trip. Now you just need to put all this new info in your outline. It's okay if it changes a bit. The important thing now is to add in all the details you just learned.
Yeah, we did learn a lot about what we want to do in Central America.
Agreed. Our outline's looking good. Check it out.
It looks great. Now, with a longer trip like this, you won't want to set all your plans in stone. It's better to keep planning your trip as you go. You should plan ahead a couple of weeks at a time, doing some research and updating your plans as you travel.
Awesome!
I'm so excited for this trip.
Thanks, helpful voice.